I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Checking your transaction history on Google Pay is straightforward. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Google Pay app. Launch the Google Pay app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to check the transaction history for. Step 2. Navigate to the Activity tab. Once you're in the app, look for the Activity tab at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. This is where all your transactions are listed. Step 3. View your transactions. In the Activity section, you will see a list of all your recent transactions. You can scroll through to find specific entries. Step 4. Filter transactions if needed. If you're looking for a specific transaction, you can use the filter option. Tap on the filter icon and select the date, range, or type of transaction you want to see. Step 5. Tap on a transaction for details. To see more information about a specific transaction, tap on it. This will show you details like the date, amount, and merchant. Just be aware that if you recently made a payment, it might take a few minutes to appear in your history. I hope this guide helps you easily check your transaction history on Google Pay. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.